Hello everyone, welcome to Online Content Fair. This is Jetty from Hebei Pingle Flower Machinery Group. We are in Shijiazhuang City, Hebei, China. Our factory, established in 1991, is a group enterprise specialized in green machinery, manufacturing and installation. Our main products are 9 up to 1,000 ton complete steel structure machinery plant. We can also do 100 up to 1,000 ton turnkey project. Here we can see some samples of our project. It's 150 ton steel structure building project, which we developed in 2002, and in 2004 we do have 140 ton new model. This one is the compact steel structure. It's 160 ton. With the developing of the technology, where our capacity also increased to 500 ton, and also we have 600 ton. The maximum capacity we can do is 1,000 ton. In Ethiopia market, we start export in 1996 to Ethiopia. At that time, our main product is this single machine with a small capacity, from 9 ton, 12 ton, 15 ton, 18 ton. Up to 2003, Ethiopia customers, they start buying complete line. This is a complete line with fully automatic. For example, we sell first by this 36 ton, this 24 ton in 2003. Then from 2005, customers are buying the big one, the 62 ton, the 82 ton, 112 ton. Totally, this model we sold around 400 machines. Recently, our customers from Ethiopia, they are buying the pneumatic machines. The same like the developing of China market. The Ethiopia market, they are developing with different models. For example, now we are selling this compact steel structure pneumatic machine, 100 ton, 120 ton, 140 ton, this model. And we sold also this building, steel structure building project in Ethiopia. In these few years, our customers are requiring like 300 ton, 500 ton. In a few years, the market is going to increase the capacity, like this 500, 300 capacity. At the same time, in Ethiopian market, the maize machineries are increasing every year. In these few years, we sold more than 10 maize flower machine projects in Ethiopia, with capacity of 30 ton, 50 ton, 100 ton. We sold 30 ton around Addis, and 50 ton we have different cities like Baharda, Adama, Hawassa, Shashamani. And 100 ton we sold 2 in the south city, Dila.